Good morning YouTube! Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be special you guys because it's our very first quarantine content. And yes, before we proceed to our video for today, let me tell you about my hair you guys. Taas na kay kong buhok, and I'm actually planning to make a video about it. Nah, it's either Kim or my sister will be cutting my hair for the next whole month. If you guys want to see that, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and like this video. Anyways you guys, today's video is gonna be something that is trending on social media everywhere, on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. It's everywhere you guys, and it's called Dalgona Coffee. We're gonna try to make it ourselves today because they say that it's really good. So if you guys don't know, I like coffee, I like milk tea, I like basically just those two things in life, and I love my girlfriend. I like a lot of different. Anyways, we're gonna try to make it today. It's just three basic ingredients. Tulurang ingredients guys: kape, sugar, and gatas. That's all we need. Coffee, sugar, and milk. And we're gonna be trying to make it with instant coffee, instant milk, and sugar. Anyways guys, I've been repeating myself. If what mo nakabantay there also guys, I already have like a mustache. Bruh. I'm trying to do no shave quarantine period. I don't know if it's a thing, but I'm gonna try to make it a thing. Anyways, I keep saying a lot of nonsense. Anyways, let's proceed to this video. So guys, here's our instant coffee. If you guys are doing it in sticks, you guys can use 2 sticks, or if you guys just have the big thing or the big pack, just use 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. We're gonna try to mix it. So the way we do it guys is we put the coffee in a bowl. So I don't have a scissor, I'm just gonna do it the old traditional Filipino way. Ato na lang paakon, kaya watay guntingan niyo.
So, duha ka mo kalimutan guys. Di aron lang gusto.
So we got our coffee, and then after the 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, you guys need 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can use brown sugar or white sugar. Just 2 tablespoons of that as well, you guys. And I want to siyang separate lang. I don't know why you butang pa yan. Bruh. There we go. So this is how it looks like. Looks like coffee and the sugar is already together. Next we need to do is 2 tablespoons of water. I suggest guys hot water kaya malana yung sugar or kanang coffee because we're gonna whisk the coffee until ma-foamy na siya. So you can use like the Filipino way, like with a fork or tinidor, or if you have like the mixer, I suggest you do that. Kaya medyo kapoy good siya guys, kanunera nimo whisk with a fork. Anyways, I'm gonna try to put 2 tablespoons of hot water, and I'll be right back with you.
A few moments later.
So guys, this is how it looks like now, and we're gonna try to mix it. So let's go to the kitchen and mix the whole thing. So guys, before we proceed to whisking the coffee and the sugar, I actually forgot to make ice last night. So ang Dalgona's Coffee day guys is an iced coffee drink. Na wala ko nakagama og ice cubes gabi, and it's kind of my fault. So atong buhaton na lang is we're gonna make the milk right now, and then we're gonna put it inside the fridge para mabugnaw siya once we finished making the coffee, or once we finished whisking the coffee. Anyways, let's go ahead and timpla the milk first. So yeah. Anyways, if you guys haven't noticed, this is hot water you guys, and wala na siya punan kaya aron wala na yung gatas. Ato sa siyang i-mix. Basta na ito butangan ng cold water. So, mana siya mix. So guys, you can actually whisk it with fork if you'd like. But kung ingani mo good guys, hawi good kaya siya, dadugay kaya siya. You just need to whisk it until ma-foam siya. How way ka siya guys, kung tinidor gamiton nyo guys. So, ako siya gamiton na itong mixer para mas dali ta mahuman. And, let's go! Anyways, you guys, mo na ni ang purma sa atong coffee mix. All we need to do now is just basically put all this creamy, foamy coffee into the milk. And para nako lang guys, kutsara lang gamiton. So mo na siya. As you can see guys, foamy na guys siya. And we're just gonna put it on top of the milk.
Slowly but surely. That's actually yummy guys. And ato na ni nabutan nan kay. There we go. That's really foamy. Guys, I can smell the coffee and I'm very excited now. If you guys don't know, as I said before, I'm very addicted to coffee and milk tea. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna skip to the part. I'm gonna do a little cool montage with this coffee and proceeding to the taste test afterwards.
So guys, nga tuon ra paggama of Dalgona Coffee. It's just 3 simple steps. You just need to mix the coffee and the sugar, whisk it, make the milk, and mix it together. Anyways guys, it's time for the taste test. So I've seen people drink it. They actually mix the coffee and the milk first. So let's go ahead and try that. The thing about this guys, kay ang foam sa coffee, di siya mo unlad. So ano na siya sa ibabaw kanunay, which will make it taste some, there we go. As you can see, nalagyan po siya sa ibabaw. And time to taste it. Actually guys, I think kay Berber nang igamit mo ng medyo tamis-tamis ang gatas. But it actually tastes really good. And if you guys made this at home, in your home, comment down below how it tastes like for you. I feel like it tastes really good. I love it. It tastes it just tastes a bit like a latte, coffee latte, something like that. But if you guys made this at home, comment down below how it tastes like for you. And that's the end for today's video guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and also guys, share this video if you guys liked it. And also if you want to see me do more quarantine content, if you guys want to see me make a video during the quarantine period, comment lang mo sa ubos guys, and I'll try to do it for you guys. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.